Let's talk about these Cat5s and what's wrong with them. Get some light in here, and these should be orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. And that's kind of what it looks like it probably is, but look how mangled it is inside. What? But that's nothing. Wait till you see this other one that I got. Look at this bad boy. That green wire curls all the way around. What? It's wild. Yeah, I have feelings about what might happen if I check more. So, what? Whoa. Ooh. Yeah. So, I don't know what's going on, but I think I have a few ideas as to why the wires aren't working. That's rough. I'm actually having a hard time telling if that's in order. Whoa, what? Those aren't even in line. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Is that what's going on with the others? Oh my God. What? What is going on there? I mean, that one looks like it chomped. But, oh no. Is it? What is going on? No. What are you doing? Please. What is this? Wait a minute. That looks normal. Looks normal. It's still got a mushed brown wire. But, orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown. That's the closest to normal that I've seen. Yeah. Yeah. Now, let's look at mine. This is what the wires that I did look like. You'll see insulator. See that insulator? It's been bitten. It could have used a little bit more push, but it's been bitten in there just right. And we have exactly orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. I know the blue looks gray, but it's because the insulation just looks stupid. And this right here, you'll notice they're all right there at the end. Isn't that beautiful? Nice and flat, even crimp. This makes Daddy happy. But whatever's going on over there, it is not this.